Dude on jet ski ducks underwater to dodge Beirut explosion.
اطلعي اطلعي جينا عن اختك. سلمى سلمى نط نط نط.
This and the Tianjin explosion have some of the craziest recent explosion footage I've seen. They make the skyscrapers around them look tiny. Don't worry, we're saving the best for last. A massive black hole bomb that will tip the balance of the false vacuum of the universe and cancel all of reality? JetSki? Who the hell named them that? They should have named them motorcycles. I half expected that stupid great white shark to appear via shitty edit at the end.